So here's our collab with Casey Smith. Now she is an acrylic painter on canvas, and her lines are so smooth and perfect and straight. It makes you feel so good. And I knew I wanted to create a candle for the male and woman home. I felt like maybe some of the candles are too geared toward women, and I wanted this to fit in a boy's apartment that he feels masculine, or a home like myself who shares with my husband and it's very dark colors and neutrals. And I wanted a piece of art that blended and felt like it could fit in any kind of home. So again, you have our silver hardware drawer, our match striker, and you'll pull out your drawer. You'll get a little mood board and a write-up about the artist. And then you'll get your 9-ounce candle. Again, there is no label. The label is seamless with the glass. So you can throw this in the dishwasher. You can put this outside. It could be an outdoor candle. It could become whatever you want it to become later. Here is it empty. So it really could be used for anything. And that was my intention with all of our products, is to make sure that these products can be home decor after they're done with its initial burn time. So again, we have a lid that pops into the bottom of the candle. And then here is an example of our empty match jar. But what's perfect about when you run out of matches is we have our refillable matches, which are 3-inch matches in different colored tips. So if you want to replace the black back into your vessel, or it's fun to switch up your matches colors, each match tip reflects the color of the box it's in. And again, this could be now used as Q-tip holder. It could be whatever you want it to be. It was inspired by old school perfume bottles. I just loved I love the element of creating something that matched your candle, and it was an added bonus, not just a great smelling candle, but you got a custom designed cute little matches jar that goes with it. And again, the foam comes out of the drawer box, which then you shut your drawer, and you can use it as a coffee table book. You can stack it. It's an oversized matches box, and you never have to take things off of it to get in and out of your drawer. And that's what I really wanted to focus on when creating all my products. How could the customer use this over and over again? I absolutely love this candle. I think it's stunning. It is neutral. It smells super sweet at first. That's the juicy peaches, the jasmine, and then you get into the warm amber, sandalwood. And when you're done, you just pop the lid up, and now you have a piece of decor that's sitting there when it's not being lit. And it's a great way to own a piece of art. It's a good conversation starter, and it's a great way to support artists because a percentage of every sale goes back to the artist, and it's a conversation starter. And I do love that, if it was sitting in the middle of the table, you're looking at something, I'm looking at something, so are they. It's 360-degree art. That is something I really, really focused on, because I always got so frustrated at the fact that you would pay all this money for a candle and you're really just paying for the label. And that's why I really spent 2 years developing something that could be used and seen from all angles. So it's a beautiful piece of art, it's home decor, and it's bonus, a great smelling candle.